Hi everyone, this is Alex, qualified Usui Reiki Master, and today I'm going to give you the first in a series of crystal tutorials. Today I'm going to start with an introduction to crystals and talk about the pendulum. So crystals can be used for all types of healing. They might not be taught in some of the more traditional Reiki techniques. However, non-traditional or modern ones use crystals on a regular basis. This is usually taught in level 2 Reiki. So when you get your first symbols, you also get taught a little bit about how to use the crystals. The crystals are placed on the chakras, which I will do another tutorial on if you don't know what they are, or the ailing limb in question, for example, where the patient feels pain or where their disease happens to accumulate. And what we do is we take a crystal pendulum. You can see one on the right-hand side of the slide in a picture. There are all types of shapes and sizes of pendulum. They can be glass or crystal, or made from a religious or holy icon, or be made from different types of metal. It really doesn't matter. But basically the function of the pendulum is to measure the chakra balance. So what you would do is take the pendulum in your right hand or left hand, depending on which one you write with, and in the other hand you would dangle the pendulum over the secondary chakra, which is in the center of your palm, which you actually use for healing. And what you will ask is, you will ask your guides, your Reiki healing guides, to answer your questions as to whether the chakra is open and functional or closed and blocked. And depending on the way the pendulum turns, the more you use it, the more you will be familiar with its answers. Usually I get a circle for yes and a swing back and forth for no. So basically you go to the patient once you've got them relaxed and in the right position for their healing, and you will then dangle the pendulum over each one of their main chakras. It doesn't matter which end you start, and basically ask your guides, and sometimes even their guides, about the chakras. Once you have done this and you know which chakras are open or closed, then the closed ones will obviously need additional attention or additional healing. And we can do that by, instead of interrupting or making a much longer healing, because obviously sometimes we are pressed for time, or we can't only concentrate on one place, it's better to go through the whole body. What we'll do is place a crystal on that chakra, usually a crystal that corresponds to it, and because of the lattice structure of the crystal, it will increase the intensity and magnify the energy, the healing energy that is going into that chakra to help it heal just as fast, and usually within one Reiki healing session. Different crystals have different functions and they affiliate to different chakras. This means that if you go to someone who has studied crystals, or you buy your own crystal book, you will see that each one is assigned a part of the body or a specific disease, or has special healing powers for a certain type of ailment. Also, when you use crystals on the chakras, each chakra has assigned crystals, and they are usually categorized by color or healing ability on a certain part of the body which corresponds with that chakra. A little bit of additional information, which I will go into further detail in another tutorial, is that crystal programming for specific functions is also possible.